Example 3 of section 7.1, we are now going to define what range of a set of data is, and we're going to actually find that in an example here. So, first of all, definition. Range is simply the difference of the greatest and least value. So a range is not a measure of center, it's a measure of spread. How spread out is the data? Okay, so as I look down here, I can see the problem that's posed to us. So it says 2 reality cooking shows. Select 12 contestants each. The ages of the contestants are shown in the table below. Find the range of ages for each show and compare your results. So all I have to do is look at each table and find the lowest and highest value, the greatest and the least. So if I pour over this table here, and you can list them in order if you want to, but it looks like 19 is my lowest, and 31 appears to be the highest. If I look at the other table, the lowest value also appears to be 19, but the highest value is way up here at 48. Okay, so let's find the range for each value. So first, show A, we are simply going to take 31 minus 19, which gives us 12. And for show B, we are going to take the high of 48 and subtract 19, and that would be 29. So the range, and we should put units here, the range of ages in the cooking show for show B are 29 years old, and the range of ages for show A are 12 years. Okay, so what does that tell us? It tells us that show B, the contestants' ages were more spread apart than the ages of show A. And that's all it is. So that's the range of a set of data.